What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I just want to do a quick update on what I've been up to. Obviously, I did my last video was on getting my first vlogging camera. Well, today I'm at Best Buy, or actually should I say I was at Best Buy. I've already done it. I bought myself another camera, and I will not reveal this one, not yet. I will be doing an unboxing video of it in a future update, but I just want to do an update on what I've been up to, and that's pretty much just what I've been up to, is just the fact that I got myself a new camera, and I think it was about time that I got me updated. The current one that I got, obviously the Sony, I've been using it for a little bit, but I felt it's time that I get something different, or something, should I say, that I could add to it that I need a little bit more, that the Sony couldn't do. So again, I'm not going to reveal what kind of camera it is until a future video, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the bell notification, that way you don't miss all my videos when I drop them. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and everybody have a great weekend. See you guys later.